how to buy BankrX token. So this token came under the symbol of BNXR. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards of crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token released 23 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 17 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your BitKit wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the base as a network. Click in this plus icon and paste the token address here. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called BNXR. So after you find it, just click on it as you can see here. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and as you can see here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see of that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BNXR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.